Hello, this is a basic overview of the Darklands template. Here, we will unpack the elements of this site and see how it is put together. Let's begin. On the index page, we have a large collection of thumbnail images. Each thumbnail links to a page with a larger version of the image and some text descriptions. In this template, we have randomized the thumbnail index. Each time the site is loaded, a different configuration is displayed. Let's take a closer look in the Admin panel. In our Content tab, we've made a set called Work, inside of which we've added all of our work pages. Our index page, which we have set to be our home page, contains this header text using the H1 style and the thumbnail index. We have set the thumbnail index to be visible on this page only by enabling it in the Design menu here. This is also where we set it to randomize. The other options are All, Set, and Tag. The thumbnail index displays the thumbnails of every page that has been turned on. This is indicated by a green dot. Pages that are turned off or are pinned are excluded. The layout of the thumbnail index is controlled in the Design tab. We've set it to use the Justified Layout mode. This mode can be further fine-tuned to accommodate a wide range of grid and layout possibilities. We recommend taking time to explore these, as well as the other layout modes. Let's take a look at one of our work pages. In the Darklands template, the content of our pages is minimal. There's an image and a line of text with a link. We've enabled a function called Limit Image Height to Viewport in the Design tab. This function causes images that are taller than the window to be scaled down so that the entire image is always visible. This is useful particularly with images of various aspect ratios. Now let's take a look at our site navigation. We added a page called Nav, which we pinned to the top. We've set it to be fixed in place so that it doesn't scroll with the rest of the content. When we disable the fixed option, we see that it scrolls with the rest of the page. The Nav page contains a set of columns with 3 cells. We've linked the logo to the home page using the internal link menu so that it functions as a back to home button. Our Twitter and Instagram logos link to their respective external sites. Information is linked to the page called Information, again using the internal link menu. Looking at this page, it contains a background image and 3 columns of text. In the Design menu, we've set the backdrop function to use the wallpaper mode and selected our background image here. We've also added a black color overlay so that it appears a little darker, making the text easier to read. The text is laid out using the columns function. The Email Us link opens the built-in contact form, accessed from the internal link menu. Finally, a look at the page navigation buttons here. We made these by pinning a page that we called Page Nav and placing it inside our work set so that it's visible only on the pages that are inside this set. The page contains 3 icons, which we've added via the icon palette here. We've linked the first icon to the main index, which in our case is also the home page. The second icon links to the next page, and the third icon links to a random page. We've aligned the icons to the right using the text alignment function in the Page's Design menu. So, there you have it, a basic overview of the Darklands template. Thank you.